Hi friends, it's Mrs. Rust again. Got some more science experiments for you today. And this one is something that we've done in the science lab. I know our younger friends have done it, but I would love to see you try to do this at home. It's color changing milk. And it doesn't change color, it's really fun, it explodes. But I wonder if you think about why that happens. So I'm going to turn down the screen so you can see some of the things that I have. I've got a shallow plate, dinner plate. I've got some dishwashing liquid, some Q-tips. I've got some milk, and I've got some food coloring. And you know, Mrs. Rust, me and food coloring don't mix. So if you do this at home, make sure mom's with you and make sure you cover the table so you don't make a big mess like me. All right, so here's what we'll do. We're gonna pour the milk into the dinner plate until it just fills in all the spots, like that. Then I'm gonna put 2 drops of blue, 2 drops of green, and I've got some funny food coloring. It's that solid stuff. It's not the best, but I'm gonna try it and see because I didn't have the rest of it, the other kind of food coloring. So we'll just see if this works. If not, we'll just have to remember we better get some more food coloring of the liquid kind. This is the solid stuff. So I'm just gonna blob some of that red right there, get that down into the milk. And I've done the same with the yellow. I don't have the liquid yellow, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna scrape some of that off down into the milk. Hopefully it'll get in there. I'll get enough of it. All right, that looks kind of pretty. Now I'm going to take my toothpick and I have put a little bit of the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Any kind of liquid detergent works fine, the dishwashing liquid. And I am not going to move the Q-tip, but I'm going to set it down into the milk. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think it's going to explode? Do you think nothing's going to happen? Think about it. Here we go. Whoa. It's beautiful. I see some purple over here where the colors have started mixing. That's beautiful. I wonder if I keep touching it, if it'll make it. Do you wonder what's happening? Isn't that amazing? Wow. I wonder if I add some more. Well, the science behind this has to do with the milk. The milk is not just made out of water, but it's got some fat and some protein in it. And dishwashing liquid's really good at cleaning up fat and protein. It's the way it cleans our dishes in the dishwasher and in the sink. So what happens is when you put the color in there and touch the dishwashing liquid to it, it goes to work trying to break up the fat and the protein in the milk. Wow, it's still happening. Hope you'll try this at home. Thanks again for joining me.